Good day guys, today we're going to discuss about the higher order of derivatives. So, in this situation, we're going to find the first, second, and third derivatives. So we have only two problems. So within these two problems, we're going to find the first, second, and third derivatives. So, as for number 1, y is equal to x4 plus x cubed minus 9. So, if you will going to find the first, second, or third derivatives, if there's something number that doesn't have a variable and exponent, therefore it is not conclude to another derivatives. For example, x4 does have exponent, and x3 does have an exponent, and 9 doesn't have an exponent. Therefore, it is not conclude to be in another exponent. So, to be able to get the first derivatives or second or third, we're going to multiply the constant to the exponent. So, for example, the x4. So the solution shows that 1, so it has visible 1 here. So 1 multiplied by 4, and the x will going to subtract it by 1. So therefore, 1 times 4 is equal to 4. Then the x, 4 minus 1 is equal to x3. So that's how we get the 4x3. And also for the 3x squared, the same process as for x3. So we're going to proceed to the second derivatives. So the second derivatives is also the same process as the first derivatives. So we're going to multiply the 3 from 4. So therefore, 4 times 3 is equal to 12. And then we're going to subtract the exponent from 1. So x cubed minus 1 is equal to x squared. So as for x6, it's the same process as for the 12x. So 2 times 3 is equal to 6. And then we're going to subtract the 2 minus 1. Then therefore, it is only, therefore, it will become x. So as for third derivatives, we're going to multiply the 12 from 2. Therefore, we get 24x. Let's subtract the exponent. Then plus 6, because we have only one value of the exponent. So 1 times 6 is equal to 6. Then the x, 1 minus 1 is equal to 0. So therefore, we're going to cancel out the x. So we're going to move on the problem number 2. Y is equal to 3x cubed minus 2x squared minus 4. So to get the first derivatives, it's the same process from the number 1. So 3 times 3 is equal to 9. Then we're going to subtract the 3 from 1. So we'll get the x squared. And then the same process. 2 times 2 is equal to 4. Then, so 2 times 2 is equal to 4. Then the x squared minus 1 is equal to x. Then the 4 will now drop because it doesn't have an exponent. Then to get the second derivative, it's the same process. So 9 times 2 is equal to 18. Then x squared minus 1 is equal to x. Therefore, we will get 18x. Then the 4x, since it only have one exponent, therefore we're going to multiply 1 by 4 and we're going to subtract the exponent from it. So 1 times 4 is equal to 4, and the exponent is 1, minus 1 is equal to 0. Therefore, the variables are now dropped. So to get the third derivatives, so we're going to multiply the 18, since it have a visible 1 here. Then 18 times 1 is equal to 18. Then the x minus 1 is now dropped. So that's how we get the first, second, third derivatives. Hope you learned something about this video. Thank you.